Welcome to Tech Bytes and News, your daily roundup of articles featured in Hacker News. Today, we're diving deep into CMU's Spring 2025 offering of Machine Learning in Production, a course designed to bridge the gap between theoretical ML and real-world application. It's not just about building models, folks, it's about building products.
Right. I saw the course description. It sounds incredibly comprehensive. They emphasize the entire life cycle, from prototype to production deployment, and even touch on responsible AI and MLOps. That's a huge undertaking for a single course, isn't it?
It is. But that's what makes it so exciting. They're not just teaching model building, they're teaching the engineering of ML systems. Think about it. How do you design for those inevitable wrong predictions? How do you ensure safety and security when your model inevitably makes mistakes? That's a core focus.
Absolutely, and the course tackles the deployment and updating of models in production. They mention MLOps tools, A/B testing, canary releases, all crucial for real-world success. It's not just about getting a model working, it's about maintaining it, scaling it, and ensuring its continued effectiveness.
Precisely. They even cover scaling, which is a beast of its own. Stream processing, batch processing, Lambda architecture, data lakes. Choosing the right architecture is a huge part of building a successful ML product. And they're addressing that head on.
And the testing and debugging aspects are equally important. They talk about evaluating model predictions in production, testing the entire system, not just the model itself. They're drawing lessons from traditional software engineering, which is smart.
I see. That's where the software engineering and data science collaboration comes in, right? The course aims to foster a working relationship between these two crucial roles. They need to understand each other's perspectives and concerns to build effective systems.
Yeah, that's a really important point. But I wonder, how realistic is it to cover all of that in a single semester? It's a broad range of topics.
That's a valid concern. They acknowledge that the specific tools and topics might change with new research and tooling, but the core principles remain consistent. Plus, they have a textbook and lots of online resources to support the learning. And the project-based approach, focusing on a movie recommendation service, seems like a great way to consolidate all the concepts.
The project sounds intense, but also incredibly valuable. 1 million users? That's pushing students to work with real-world scale challenges. And the course covers ethical considerations, fairness, privacy, robustness, and safety. That's crucial for responsible AI development.
Absolutely. They're not just building technically proficient ML engineers, they're building responsible ML engineers. And the course structure, lectures, labs, individual and group assignments, midterms, seems well designed to cover this vast landscape. They even have a prerequisite knowledge check to help students assess their readiness.
That's a nice touch. It helps students gauge their background and identify areas where they might need extra preparation. Overall, it sounds like a very demanding but incredibly rewarding course. It seems like a great way to prepare students for a career in ML engineering.
Exactly. It's a course that's clearly designed to equip students with the practical skills and knowledge they need to succeed in the field. And the fact that they're sharing all the course materials under a Creative Commons license is fantastic. It promotes broader access and collaboration within the community. Well, that's all the time we have for today. Thanks for tuning in to Tech Bytes and News. Goodbye.
Bye-bye.